Now we're going.
What's that?
So what was the time again?
255. Oh, no, don't write on that side. Right on the other side where you wrote 135. Because that's 255.
Okay.
Alright, hit the big button again. To turn it on.
We're good.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. $269. $269 again. $255. How many runs is that?
4.
4. Okay, switching ammo. Stand by. Okay, 285. Safety on. Close the dust cover, but it's going to stay hot. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 alpha with the 22 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 alpha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where? 9 alpha, 1 Charlie over here in the corner. Alright, let's go ahead and kill it. No, not the, oh, no, it hit harder. Like this.